Darla. So I'm doing a Beebeecraft tutorial. I'll link all the information below on the Beebeecraft YouTube program, and you can click on the link and see if you'd like to get involved, where they send you items that you can review and use at no cost to you. And I'll also put their link to their website below. So let's get started. So what I've done here is, I'll tell you which items I got from Beebeecraft when I get to them. So this is cardstock that I had. So folded over, it measures 5.5 wide by 4.25 tall. So now I've cut a piece of decorative paper to 5.25 wide and 4 inches tall. Now I'm going to glue this on to the cardstock. I'm just going to try to put it in the center as best I can. And my card is going to be opening this way, so I made sure that my pictures are in the right direction. And then I have taken a piece that I want to put on the side of this. It's from the paper pack, so it matches, it goes with it. So this one is 4 inches tall, and it is 7/8 wide. So I'm just going to put that right here. And then this is what I got from Beebeecraft. This is some of it. I got this package of ribbon. And this is the roll I'll be working with. So I cut the ribbon 4.25 inches long. And I'm just going to glue it right onto this strip that I made, that I cut. Now it's a little longer than the strip, 1/4 inch longer, because I want it to cover my card here. From the bottom edge to the top edge. So I'm just gonna glue that quickly. I would do a better gluing job if I wasn't trying to do a tutorial. So I'm going to put it a little bit in here so that I have a little bit of the paper showing on both sides of the strip, like over here and over here. And then I have this other strip that is 5.25 long and 7/8 wide. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that down. And actually, I wanted it under here, so put it a little bit up because I want the paper to show under, a little bit under and above. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to put on here, I'm going to cover up this bird. I have this little thing that says friendship, and I want to put a piece of white under it just to help it show better on the paper. to glue it. I'm going to put it right over top of that bird. Put it right there. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to use are stickers that I got from Beebeecraft. They came in this package. Excuse me. It says 3 sheets, but they sent me 4 somehow. So here are the stickers I'll be using. And what I did was, because they're kind of slightly transparent, I just put them on a piece of printer paper, white printer paper, and glued that on the back, and then fussy cut around them so that they're going to show up better on this busy background. So I have some fish. This is a nautical theme, in case you haven't noticed. So I'm just going to add these fish somewhere, not to cover up too much of the background, because I want that to show. This is a starfish. Put it right there. And then I have another fish. I may have put that other one upside down. If that's the case, yeah, I did. All right. Put that one over there, and this one I'll put right here, and then the seashell. Pretty seashell. Going to put it right there like that. So there's my card, and so I used the lace from Beebeecraft. The stickers are from Beebeecraft. I may add a couple more smaller ones maybe later. And the other item that I got from them, I will do a separate tutorial on. All right, thank you. Thank you, Vivian at Beebeecraft. And everyone have a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me. Running, right? Oops. Now I changed my mind. Instead of just gluing the stickers down, I've decided to put a raised, what are they called? Just like a piece of sponge, two-sided tape on the back to have the embellishments raised a bit. Gives it more of a 3D look. So that's what I've done, and I like this better. Did that on all the stickers. This one's already raised a little bit. So I may add a few more, like I said before. So, not sure if you can see it in the camera. Yeah, so there we go. And again, thank you for joining me.